The rules didn't bend today. They broke. Gravity forgot which way is down. A tiger felt safe in your arms. A hand reached out from beyond the screen, not to scare you, but to remind you, this isn't real anymore. You and your pet inflate like balloons, not because it's logical, but because logic no longer applies. Cars stopped being machines and decided to become something else. Today, there are no laws of physics, no boundaries of reality, no need for explanations. This is what happens when imagination is no longer restrained. Hi there, you are watching Gizmo Journal. Today we will learn how to create such AI videos with a single click in Wondershare Filmora 15. First, head to Stock Media, then click AI Media. Under Video Inspiration, you will find numerous AI templates where you don't need to write prompts. It works with a single click. So let's start with a search, Giant Hand Lift Hoodie. There are so many templates where you become a tiny character, lifted by a mysterious hand from another dimension, and that too, inside a lift. It works for pets as well. These videos look so cute and realistic at the same time. Select one, then click Create. After that, simply drag and drop your portrait here. If needed, you may crop the photo. Once the generation is completed, the generated files can be accessed from the My Files tab under AI Media. The video looks amazing. Here's the original photo. The face and expressions are preserved, and the video is very well made. For our next video, let's bend reality. Search for Brave Embrace. These templates create stunning videos where you share a heartfelt hug with a tiger, polar bear, or other wild creature. They also include sound. Let me select this one and import this cute girl's portrait, then hit the Generate button. You can even embrace your loved ones this Valentine's Day by creating such hug videos. The video is ready. The video dimensions match the original photo's aspect ratio, so you don't miss any part of the image. And even though AI is bending reality, the original face of the girl remains intact, which is uncanny. For our next AI templates, let's look for Powerful Car Transformer. And there you have it, Cars Rise's mechanical giants stepping into action. There are many transformer styles to choose from. Which one is your favorite? Let me go with this one and create the video by importing this vintage car photograph. Generate. You may also search for Car to Transformer Epic Shift. The video is ready. Let's check it out now. Wow! That transformation is Hollywood level with precise animation. Not only is the original image background maintained, it is also expanded while preserving the originality of the scene. It blends perfectly. The Filmora AI assets are truly excellent, no doubt about that. For our next video, we will try to defy gravity. Let's search for aerial equilibrium. This is the template I used for the Hollywood scene, so let me show you how I did it. The aerial drift is beautifully done. Now just import a photo here. I have two people. Hit Generate. While it's being generated, there are a few more gravity-defying templates you can check out. Next, let's search for balloon head templates. These are fantastic. Your head inflates like a balloon, drifting upward with your emotions, or your pet's head floats skyward, as if gravity simply let go. Let's start with this one. I've imported this cute puppy photo generate and wait to see the magic. Let me also try this human template. We'll use this portrait, do the cropping if necessary. Generate. Now let me go through the generated videos one by one. First, we have aerial equilibrium. As you can see, when Brad Pitt starts floating, Leonardo DiCaprio looks surprised and moves away. Filmora AI understands the content of the image and adjusts accordingly. Brad rises as if gravity has stopped working. It's surreal. Next, we have the puppy. It comes to life with a smile, and then the head starts floating like a balloon. It's too cute. And finally, we check the human balloon head, and it's hilarious. If you notice, the graphics, animation, and overall quality are extremely high, with no visible AI artifacts. Filmora 15 AI templates are truly powerful. Reality is optional when you create with Wondershare Filmora 15. Try these AI templates yourself, the link is in the description. You are watching Gizmo Journal.